Today we're gonna try the DETO Bubble Kit. It's a gentle exfoliator, chemical gentle exfoliator, excuse me. So yeah, this kit, it comes in a big box like that. You can order it at Vianacare.com. It comes in 3 steps. Boom, there's the ampoule, the mask, and the cream. So let's go through this. We're gonna start with the ampoule with the serum because we're gonna do a gentle chemical exfoliator. This little ampoule gonna come and nourish my skin, bring hydration, and it's even better if you have a dry skin, so that will nourish pretty good. Now that my serum is applied, it's time to open the DETO bubble mask. So this mask, it's impressive because the bubble will come very thick and it's appear like to be like a very thick mask. So what it does, actually, it's a chemical exfoliator, as I said before. The bubble will remove the dead skin of my face and gonna have a clear and nice beautiful skin right after. Comes like this. Okay, yeah, not a pro at open that. We can applying this little mask. It has to stick. Oh yeah, this part has to come low, right there. Okay, like this. And now I'm just gonna wait 20 minutes and we'll see how the bubble goes. I have the mask on. So now, just have to relax and wait. I just put it on and now it's starting already to bubble a lot, which is great. So now, just have to wait that everything get thick. We may gonna show you this in fast forward. While I wear this mask, I really have a refreshing feeling on the skin. And the bubble, we can hear them popping. It's very, very relaxed. And for a gentle chemical exfoliator, I'm impressed. Usually exfoliation in my mind will sound like a rough process, like a lot of rubbing, a lot of scratching. Now this is not the case. Everything is very soft. The bubble, we're removing the dead skin. It's really a nice process. So I'm gonna wait that the bubble get to the maximum of volume, and we're gonna go with the cream after that. We do have the DETO cream to put right after. This one. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes. 5 to 7 minutes again, and then we're gonna go with the cream. Because yeah, the volume start to be very interesting. This will be the thicker that I could get. I think we're ready for the removal of this mask. Très rafraîchissant, super doux, super soft and refreshing. It's said to massage the bubble after. We are right now at the very last step of that DETO Bubble Kit. After the serum and the bubble mask, we got that DETO bottle cream. This one will keep my skin very hydrated, nourished, because we have to keep in mind, even if it doesn't feel, we just exfoliate the skin. Usually for me, exfoliation mean scrubbing, mean microdermabrasion, which is a lot of scratching. This is so not what we have done over here. Here, we really remove dead skin by nourishing your skin. So the bubble mask remove all the dead skin with these bubble action. This cream is super soft, super smooth. Only good thing to say about this. So if you want to try that, it's at Vianacare.com. You can order. It's almost around $80. And this is before tax. I'm gonna make another beauty session with Dr.pen, as I said. And I did order a mesotherapy kit. This is gonna be new for me. I know it's gonna be more rough. There's needle involved. There's acid, hyaluronic acid involved. So it's gonna be super nourishing for my skin. And hopefully this all needle process, it's to get rid of my acne scars. I do have little acne scars. So, and little acne left, you know, this is gonna leave. So yeah, my skin is not perfect, so that's why it's interesting to try all these things. And Vianacare, it's a new store for me. Never shopped there before, so I'm impressed by the product, what they sell, what they can ship you. It's a new discovery. So I'm gonna post more beauty session. If you like to see, follow and subscribe. And while this time, take care of you.